Today we will learn how to send a message on TikTok to another person. For this, first of all, we will open our TikTok. After that, we will see below that inbox. We will click on inbox, and by clicking on inbox, we will have a search option at the top. By clicking on search, we will write the person name to whom we want to send a message, like that, as you can see in the video. We will click on his chat, like that, and type the message below and send him. As you can see in the video, if you have learned something from this video, please subscribe the channel and like the video and share it with your friends. If you have any question, you can ask in comments. Thanks for watching.